Yeah, good afternoon. Yeah, good day anytime you're watching this. So let's go into today's video. Last week, if I remember clearly, let me first analyze the daily time frame. So last week, if I remember clearly, I think I was expecting a sell. But the market didn't really move as we had anticipated, which is normal. It's normal to be wrong. So the sweep here, break, and our daily time frame still has the same projection. That is this eye to take out this eye, and then on the 4 hours last week, the issues we had came from the 4 hours. We had a previous break of structure here, a break of structure, and then price took out this low. This is where I made a mistake. When price took out this low does not supposed to become an inducement, because this break of structure we had here already created engineered liquidity. It came down. We had something like this. Break, and then price gave us engineered liquidity and dropped into our POI, then failed to give us confirmation, and then it broke. So since we already got our engineer liquidity, this one too is more or less an engineer liquidity, and then failed. This place is not supposed to become inducement because we already have engineer liquidity. Had it been we have a situation whereby we had something like this, that was my mistake. I didn't think we had a situation whereby we had something like this normal break of structure, and the price came down rapidly instead of coming down like this. You understand? To the POI, price just came down. If price just comes down rapidly and takes out this low, then it's an inducement. So that means we can look for POI below and then buy upside. That's basically what's happened here. We had a break of structure. Sorry, we had a change of character. Since this was a break of structure here, since this one was a break of structure, so this one became change of character, and then we had another break of structure here, confirming that yes, price may likely go down. Then what happened next? Price failed to create another break of structure, that is, it gave us a sweep, indicating that it's trying to change direction again to the upside. And then since we have a break of structure here before, and this is a sweep, this one will become an inducement, yeah, and this will become our POI to sell, this one right here. But as you can see, that price took out this high. Since this is a change of break of structure, if price take out a break of structure, it becomes a change of character. So when we have a change of character here, now we now start having external POI. So we have one here, and then we have another one right here. We have another one, which is where the price is currently at right now. So if I remove this one, there was a sell opportunity here on Friday, but I did not take advantage of it. So now what we have here is this. We have price having given a change of character. This is our second break. This is our second break right here. Second break. which is our break of structure. And then now I'm expecting what to happen here. I'm expecting this, at least price should take out this inducement first. Price should take out this inducement. Then when price takes out this inducement, you can now look for POIs to buy from. You get so, but basically what I'm expecting next week is price coming down into this inducement. This will be my first target. If I get any sell opportunity from here, this will be my first target, and then possibly to this point. But based on experience, I don't think price might be able to get it. But if it show confirmation to continue to go down, definitely I will hold it down to this point. But if it rejects from here, then I'll look for buy and target this. There's another key level here, this guy first, then before we break this high and continue to our daily target. So that's basically what I'm expecting from the market. Last week for me was basically a losing week. I think I took two up trades also last week, and they were both losses. So that was it this week for the market, and let's see how it goes. And I'll see you next week.